Now, Pakistani drone, do not think that Pakistan is a riff-raff drone power. Pakistan drone power started from early 90s. It is a big borrow steel import. Initially, when they made very small birds, there are two types of birds, three types of birds. One is called the star bird. What is star? Intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance. They just reconnaissance, look and see, control fire. One is UCAV, unarmed combat aerial vehicle, and third is dedicated platforms like Ringloom 2, like MQ9 Reaper, etc. So they started with a small recce. Then came the Chinese. Chinese gave them the ASN series of drone, ASN 105, ASN 106, 2 to 4 hours of endurance, 100 kilometers range. Then came Germany with Luna, South Africa with Seeker, and Italy with Falco. So many of them. Leave aside all that. In 2013, Pakistan came up with its first drone. It's called the Burak drone. It's a UCAV which can carry two Burk missiles, also can carry guided rockets and bombs. Then they turned towards their all-weather friends, China, Turkey, and so on. From China, there was reports at one time of 48 Wingloom 2. Wingloom 2 is a deadly MQ9 type Reaper drone, and it has got 20 hours of endurance, 4,000 kilometers of range. And how many came were debatable. At least four were promised at one point in time. Then another CH-4A drone from China came. Then came their best friends from Turkey. They brought in their Anka drones, and they brought their Bayraktar TB2 drones, and they bought their latest Bayraktar Akinci drones. And very small drone, which everybody is now talking about, is SS Grad Songar drone. What I'm trying to say and giving these names, weird names, to say that the drones have come to stay as a potent air threat vehicle to deliver air threat.